Hello, in this video I want to show you something that I just made. I ordered some new rivets for the Kydex, but there was a small little problem. The Chicago screws and the rivets. The rivets don't really fit. They're a hair too big, too small for the Chicago screws, so I took the block with some holes drilled in it, some countersinks. Took a 5.5mm drill bit, cut it off, tapered it. So now I put it into this small little press thingy. So press it all the way through, reverse it. So you stick it in here. Step it out. As you can see, it's still laying there. And now it should fit. As you can see, now it fits quite nicely. And it doesn't harm the rivet whatsoever. So I have a few more to do, so I'm gonna do that, and I will talk to you guys and girls later. Bye.